because I wasn't
Yes,
seen down
yes.
here. Anyway, I decided to go to Specsavers and ask them to do me just a distance pair,
Yeah.
of which they did. But while she was doing the test, she said, Judith, I think we're going to get your cataracts done. Now, I know I've had them for about 2 years, but I didn't
Yeah.
expect her to say that. And she just said, I had some people in here yesterday from a new setup in Shrewsbury, a Cord New Medica, and they've literally